watching Oxford United again tonight. I'm in the car park tonight. I'm on my own, so I thought I'll park in the car park outside. Managed to get a space. I bought a packed lunch for me, so tea and chicken wrap, some grilled steak McCoys and an easy pizza. Playing Brighton tonight. I know it's threatening too much, but you never know. There might be a giant killing, as they call it, or a shock result. I'm hoping Grimsby beat Man United too. Sorry for the Man United fans out there, but let's see how it goes. I'll let you know after the game.